On today's episode of Fun Things You Can Do When You're Stuck at Home, clean your silver. Now, I'm sure you have all of these things at home. You don't need to leave the house to go get them.
So you need your silver, some baking soda and some table salt, a shallow dish that you want to line with aluminum foil, and some boiling water. Throw some salt and the baking soda in the dish, about a tablespoon of each.
Then you're going to add your boiling water. It starts to fizz, as you can see.
Then throw in your jewelry.
I like using tongs. Get a good grip on things, let it sit.
And when things look pretty clean, give them a quick rinse.
And voila! More intricate items you are going to need to wipe down to get that tarnish off. Super easy and not a lot of elbow